In this Illustrator tutorial, let's take a look at how to hide artboards. That's right, you can actually hide your artboards in Illustrator and just work with one big canvas. To do that, we're going to go up to the View dropdown, down to Hide Artboards. That's Shift-Command-H. Now, whether you want to see everything in your document all at once without any artboards, or you just want to design without seeing any artboards, you can do that by hiding artboards. And so we can zoom all the way out and see that we have this massive canvas that we're working with, but we can just kind of design out here without seeing any bounds, if you will. So if you want just like a canvas here to work with, maybe you're storyboarding something out and you don't really need artboards, that's how you can hide those artboards. Or if you just want to view everything in this blank white space, you can do that as well. But to show artboards again, you would go up to View, down to Show Artboards, and you can bring them back just as easily. So you're not deleting them, but you are hiding them. And that's how you can hide artboards here in Illustrator.